Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be talking about my favourites for eyes and brows. I have previously done lipsticks, blushes and base products, so if you guys want to see any more of these really specific ones, then please do ask me. These are like all-time favourites, so like favourites of the favourites, not just a monthly fave. So my first very favourite is a brow product. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. And I know this is like the favourite of pretty much every beauty guru out there, but there is a reason for it. I just find that if I was going out or if I was making a YouTube video, this is the product that I always reach for if I want those perfectly sculpted brows. It's not an everyday thing for me. I just could not wear these every day because I feel like they're just too much in real life sometimes, especially for my line of work where outside of making YouTube videos, I teach small children how to play the piano and flute and saxophone. And I just think they'd probably look at me and think, you got a lot of makeup on today. Why? Why is it like, why are your brows so dark? They notice random things like that, children, and aren't afraid to tell you about it when my hair turned pink. So this one is my absolute favourite for getting those perfect like photo ready brows. I have mine in the shade Granite, which I think is like the darkest black brown you can get. I actually didn't buy this myself. I was given it, my sister-in-law gave it to me because she didn't like it. I think it was a bit too much for her, but I am slowly working my way through it. I feel like it's going to dry out right at either finish it though, which is kind of frustrating, but at the same time I don't use it that much, so that's okay. The other brow favourite I have is also probably no surprise. It's the Etude House Contouring Kit Eyebrow. Now my favourite shade is the one that you can see that is Hit Pan. I only use one shade in here, which again is so annoying. I used to have a favourite brow kit from Etude House which was called something else, and it had another really good dark brown shade in it. This one had the extra brow gel, which I thought I would use, but absolutely never do. But this brown is so perfect for my brows. It's what I'm wearing at the moment, and it's probably what you guys see the most. If it's not Anastasia, it is this brow kit, and it's just the perfect formula. It works so well, and it's just the most perfect color. I do wish that I could get it in a single, but I feel like I need to take this in and like swatch it next to other like eyeshadow singles that I can find. My next favorite is my liquid eyeliner, and this is the Dolly liquid eyeliner. I do find that the Dolly liquid eyeliner, this is the waterproof one. I'm pretty sure it's waterproof. Either that or it's extra black, is better than the other one, which is the regular formula in pink. I don't know why. If it's waterproof, it's definitely because it's waterproof. But this one works so much better and lasts so much longer. I keep buying the pink one because I want it because it's cute. But the red one actually is my all-time favorite holy grail eyeliner. I can get the most precise line. My eyeliner stays on all day, and I find that they don't dry up nearly as quickly as some of the other ones that I have tried. Like the Cleo one was awful for me. I don't know if I just got a really bad one, but it was like atrocious, and it's like so many people's holy grail, so I was really disappointed. And then my last favorite is an eyeshadow palette. It's the Naked 3 by Urban Decay, which, can you buy this anymore? I've got Naked 1, which I know you can't buy. Naked 1's not a favorite, but this one is because being Naked 3, it is mostly pink tones and warm tones, and I just find that if I was to pick one eyeshadow palette and space wasn't a priority, then I would probably pick this one because it just has everything that I could want and would feasibly use. Now I have Naked 1, which I also love. This is like all warm toned browns, which I also love, and if I could take all of them, I so would. But I wear pinks more often. Then I've also got the Etude House Cherry palette, which I also love. I'm just showing you, I don't have that many eyeshadow palettes, so it won't take long. But this one, I just don't find it as wearable. I feel like the shades are just not quite as wearable as the Naked 3. The other one that I do have that is a close contender is that MAC eyeshadow palette from the Cinderella collection, so it's that beautiful pastel blue. This one, I absolutely love these two shades on the side here. I think that they are called Floof and Quarry, and I don't really use the other ones a whole lot. I do use Vapor too, these, so 1, 2, 3 out of the 6 ain't bad, but I don't use all of them, so space, and if space wasn't a problem, then the Naked 3 would be what I would take with me if I had to leave all of my shadow palettes behind and could only have one. I just feel like this one has such a great range. It's got your light colors, and then it's got the nice deep ones if you wanted to deepen everything up, and a really good selection of warm tones in the middle. There's more than one crease color, which is really nice. It's like a luxury at this point for me to have more than one crease color. And I just, yeah, I thoroughly enjoy it, and I feel like the quality of the shadows is also really good and really easy to use. So that is it for my favorite eye and brow products. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing what are my favorites. Probably not a surprise, but if you don't watch all of my videos, maybe you learned something. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.